take the time to connect with nature.
Inner self. Just, yeah, feeling connected.
Who's that?
Oh, don't you dare.
It's Auntie Carol. You've got a little vagina on your neck, haven't you, darling?
I have. Give her a stroke. Nature's. I think vaginas or vulvas look like flowers, I think, as well. Symbolising nature, the flowering, the opening, and just being. Yeah. Love your vaginas, ladies. Love the flowers. Love life. Love yourselves. Just feel the innate connection between woman and nature, because we are abundant, we are givers, but just don't remember not to forget yourself. Biggest thing, love thyself first, because if you can't give, if you can't receive, you can't give, and you have to receive love from yourself first so that you can give it back out. That's number one point. I think.
Thank you, Carol.
For sure. Go take a walk and just look at all the abundance that there is around them.
It's true love,
nature.
and to connect with love.
Absolutely.
Look, that's just beautiful.
It's stunning. Look at those
Focus.
magnificent colours.
Yeah.